Hey guys, this is Christina from Modern Flower Creation, and today I will be talking to you guys about some of my favorite Surebonder products. As you know, they offer many types of glue sticks. They offer the full size, the mini size, they offer color glue sticks, any type of glue sticks that you can think of. We'll be making some fun projects with those glue sticks and their glue guns, such as a canvas banner, some paper crafting, and some paper flowers as well. So let's get started. We are going to be making a mini paper peony. So you'll need cardstock paper, 12 by 12 that I'm using right here. You'll need scissors, plier, and a stem made out of wire. I'm using my Cricut Maker to cut the template. So we are going to start with assembling the paper peony, and I'm actually using one of the glue sticks from Surebonder, and it is the color glue stick. It's a really nice pink, but instead of using a wood dowel, I'm just using it to curl the petals. We are going to use the Surebonder mini detailed glue gun. So because it's such a long glue stick, I like to put it behind, like that, on my shoulders. And there is your peony. One of the other cool things that you can use your glue gun for is to make magnets. So we are using the Surebonder Ultra Mini, which is a dual temp glue gun. And I'm also using their color glue sticks, the glitter actually. And I'm using it in high temp, so the glue comes out a little faster. The nice thing about this glue gun is that after 30 minutes of no use, it turns off all on its own. And now we are just going to wait for it to dry. And that's how you get a super simple magnet using color glue from Surebonder. And the next thing that we'll be doing is a super simple floral wreath. So all we need is just mini paper roses and some paper leaves. And I made them in various colors. And for this project, I am using my Surebonder Ultra Dual Temp glue gun, and it is a full-size glue gun. And this is definitely one of my favorite glue guns because the peace of mind that I have that if I leave it on, it'll turn off. So there is your finished wreath. The next thing that we're going to do is a door hanger made out of canvas banner. So all you need is the banner, some strings, and your paper flower. You'll also need the Surebonder fabric glue stick, and I'm using the full size. They actually offer the mini size as well. And both of them are high and for low temps, so all temps. So I'm using again the Ultra Dual Temp glue gun, the full size, and I'm using it in high temp. And I already have the fabric glue stick in there. And there you go, a nice little door hanger. The last thing that we'll be making is a paper flower. And for this project, you'll need a paper flower template, a 5-sided base. However, you can use a 6-sided base, an 8-sided base, whichever one you like. You'll need a wooden dowel. You'll also need scissors, and you'll need a pencil to trace your template. You'll need cardstock paper. I'm using 65-pound cardstock paper by Recollections. And last but not least, your Surebonder dual temp glue gun, the full size, and the full size glue sticks. So let's get started. So we're gonna grab the templates. You're gonna use 3 different sizes. So now that we have all of the templates cut, what you're going to do is you're going to start rolling your paper flower. There is your paper flower. So thanks for joining me as I showed you some of my favorite Surebonder products. So make sure to check them out and go to www.surebonder.com to check out more of their glue guns and their glue sticks. Thank you so much for watching.